I hope you all have started your journey as a digital marketer with this playlist. And by now, you must have understood that as a digital marketer, you need to do a lot of research, writing, and planning. But what if I told you that you can automate your work? Hello everyone, I am Kashish from Know-How Academy. So today's topic is a bit advanced because we will be discussing automation in digital marketing. It is considered as an advanced topic because when you start learning digital marketing, you may not use this concept right away, but one day you will definitely use it. That's why it's important to understand in this phase only. So let's quickly go over today's agenda. Today we will learn number 1, what is digital marketing automation? Number 2, benefits of automation in digital marketing. Number 3, what can we automate in digital marketing? And number 4, which tools are used for marketing automation? So let's start with number 1, what is digital marketing automation? So before we dive into automation, let's understand that perfect automation is not possible. It's not feasible to automate everything to the point where you don't have to do anything at all. So as a beginner, don't carry this misconception with you. The field of digital marketing is constantly changing. However, yes, there are some things that we can automate. We will learn about those things next in this video only. So, automation in digital marketing means using technologies to streamline and automate your repetitive tasks, allowing marketers to focus on strategic and creative work. Let me give you one example. So recently I shared a video about the marketing funnel with all of you, explaining how the customer journey works, right? So after the awareness stage, when people move further down to the funnel, you need to take certain action, okay? For example, if you viewed a product on Amazon or any platform and added it to your cart, so the email you receive with your name, do you think someone is sitting there manually sending those emails to you? Of course not. They have created a flow where, based on specific activities on their platform, they know exactly what to send to the customer, which means they have done the automation. So with this, coming to the number 2, benefits of digital marketing automation. Now, automation in digital marketing offers many benefits. For example, number 1, increased efficiency. Automating repetitive tasks saves marketers time a lot, allowing them to focus on strategic planning, and this gives you time to think out of the box. Number 2, improved lead nurturing. Now, what is that? So automating all the workflows can literally nurture leads at different stages of the sales funnel or any marketing funnel, which will eventually increase the conversion rates. Coming to the third point, that is enhanced personalization. Now, you know what? Automation can literally help deliver personalized content based on the customer data, which will eventually improve the engagement and relevance. Okay, coming to the next point, number 4, that is data-driven decision making. Now, automation can literally provide you valuable insights and data, enabling informed decision making. And with automation, you will definitely get time to actually see your results and all the data. Next point is cost saving. Now, automation task reduces the need for manual labor, which will definitely result in low cost, right? Now, coming to the next benefit, that is consistent branding. Now, automation literally ensures the consistent messaging and branding across all channels. Next point is scalability. Now, doing automation can literally handle increased workload without extra manual effort. Now, the next benefit that you will be getting after doing automation, that is accuracy in your data. And with all these benefits, at the end, you will be getting one benefit that is most important for you, and that is improved customer experience. This can allow you for the faster response and personalized experience, leading to higher customer satisfaction. And this is what every marketer wants, right? This is the final goal of every digital marketer. Now, coming to the third agenda that we are going to discuss today, that is what can we automate in digital marketing. Now, there are some things that we can actually automate. These things are number 1, repetitive tasks. For example, sending emails, scheduling social media posts, and generating reports. So all these works you can actually automate, which will ultimately save your time. The second thing that you can do that is managing large volumes of data. If you're able to manage the large volume of data, then only you will be able to analyze it for your benefits so that you can see what you have to do and what you don't have to do. Number 3 task that you will be able to do with automation is time sensitive task. Now what is that? So basically, sometimes responding to customer inquiries or triggering some automated flow is very time sensitive task. You have to do it at a particular time, right? So this can also be automated. The next thing you will be able to automate in digital marketing, that is personalization. Now it's very important in marketing field, right, that you are delivering the personalized content to your customer. So it helps in personalizing content based on customer preference and their behavior. Number 4, tools for marketing automation. Now, there are so many tools available for digital marketing automation, each with its own feature and capabilities. So, number 1 is HubSpot. Now, this is a very comprehensive marketing automation platform which includes features like email marketing, lead nurturing, and CRM. Coming to the next tool, number 2, that is Marketo. Now, this is a leading marketing automation platform which is known for its scalability and flexibility. Next tool is Zoho Marketing Hub. Now, this is also a marketing automation platform which is really helpful in scheduling and automating so many things from Zoho itself. Next tool is GetResponse. Now this is an email marketing platform that includes so many automation features. Next tool is ConvertKit, which is known as Kit now. So this is also a simple email marketing and automation platform which is really helpful. So in this video you have learned about what is digital marketing automation, benefits of automation in digital marketing, what can be automated in digital marketing, and which are the tools used for marketing automation. So with this, thank you for choosing Know How Academy as a source of your knowledge. Till then, keep learning and stay curious.